Badida from 1 to 6. I think we are now ready for the most anticipated part of this program, the Q&A portion. Ladies and gentlemen, I call on candidate number 1, please, to take center part. Good evening, candidate number 1. How are you? Okay, I think she can handle the Q&A because of her condition. Number 1, please speak your church. Partner, she picked candidate, or sorry, judge number 1.
Ma'am, Presi Laport.
Mayang gabi, barangay Pader. Okay, good evening, candidate number 1. Okay, you're not feeling well. Okay, you can, I wouldn't mind in any language, you can answer me. I wouldn't mind at all. If you were given a chance to be somebody else or someone you admire, who would that be and why?
My mother is a public servant, a teacher. I want to be my mother because I do believe that educating other people, our children, have a big impact to our society, especially children. Because I do believe that education is the most powerful weapon that can change the world. By saying this, I want each and every child to have proper education, especially the people of Pader, because I do believe that education will lead us to a better future. And I also do believe what Dr. Rizal said, ang kabataan ng pag-asa ng Pader. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let us help ourselves to be a catalyst of change. Thank you. Advance happy fiesta.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. As we go on, I call on candidate number 2, please. Hello, candidate number 2. So what are your preparations during this pageant? What are your preparations during this pageant? Nothing at all. Let us proceed to our judges. Candidate number 2, pick judge number 3.
Judge number 3 is Sir Esmael Agardo.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Ready na po. Sige kita. Tinhawa yung padalog. Okay noon. O sige. This is your question. If you had an extra 30 minutes each day, what would you do and why? Again, if you had an extra 30 minutes each day, what would you do and why?
Thank you, sir. That's a very wonderful question. But before I answer the question, I would like to say we really need to achieve that one, especially to our board of judges. Sir, really. If I had given a chance to 30 minutes, I would like to encourage the youth, and I will use my voice and platform to educate and advocate my youth about my goals, which is the free education for all. As we all know, ladies and gentlemen, not all the people are given the privilege to go to school, because even public schools now are expensive. So if I'm willing, I will try my best to spread
is doing great. Let's go to your judge. Candidate number 3, pick judge number 4.
Judge number 4 is Mr. Mark Pang. Marjon Lamo.
I'm very happy he has the question is, what one should the title holder Summer Big Budget 2024 have?
Something that a title holder should have is from them, a platform to encourage youth, use that platform to encourage them, educate them, and use this platform not only for entertainment, but also as a education, educating them that this pageant is not only for looks, also for beauty, and providing advocacies and telling them how to encourage them on how to use those advocacies.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Let's proceed to candidate number 4. Hi, candidate number 4. You look gorgeous today. How are you and what are your preparations during this pageant?
Actually, I'm a student and divided my time in preparation for this pageant.
Wow, that was awesome. Okay, we now pick your judge, please. She picked judge number 5.
Judge number 5. Or our chief judge is Dr. Noel Melchor.
She picked our chief
Thank you
judge.
very much. Please tell us about yourself.
Well, actually, I'm a college student, third year actually, and I am a part-time pageant student.
That's nice. My question is, we are now celebrating the Women's Month. And we know that, what do you think is the biggest problem facing the local women today and how do we solve it?
Good evening, everyone. As a criminology student, I advocate the right of every women against abuse and harassment because violence against women is a huge global crisis that we've been facing in our society. And that is why, even there's a lot of girls who are experiencing a lot of violence, I want to tell them that we have a law that protects them from all forms of violence, and that is the RA 1962. Or also known as the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004. With this, I advocate for a world where women can overcome violence because of the passage of justice. Together as one with determination and cooperation, let us all help and prevent violence against women, and we start it from ourselves. Again, I am Maria
There you have it, candidate number 4, advocating for women. Thank you so much. Candidate number 5, please. Candidate 5, pick judge number 2.
Judge number 2 is from May History.
Hello, good evening. Hello, madam. Good evening. Do you consider yourself as a modern woman? Do you consider yourself as a modern woman? Thank you for the wonderful question, ma'am. But of course, before I will answer your question, I just want to greet a pleasant good evening to each and everyone, especially to our distinguished board of judges, ma'am, sir. or an young woman of today?
Okay, good. Now, as a modern woman, how can you make, how do you think you can make a difference in the world?
For you, ma'am?
As a modern woman, how do you think you can make a difference in the world?
Okay, so